Hello again. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to properly fertilize your potato plant. Okay, these potatoes are 5 weeks old. If you see in this area, I have 4 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to be using NPK 10-10-40. So if you look at the composition of this fertilizer, it has 10% nitrogen, which is it helps the plants to grow. We have phosphorus 10%. This is good for the overall health of the plant. And we have potassium 40%. The reason why I choose this that has more potassium is because at this point, if you look at the potatoes, they are beginning to flower. If you look closely here, you see they're beginning to flower. So that means this is the initial stage of tuber formation. So you want to have that potassium, which will help in tuber formation. All right. So this is how you go about it. I already have this fertilizer poured into this little container. All right. So you want to dig around each plant, 5 centimeters around each plant, and 10 centimeters away from the stem. You see that? So just dig around the plant like this with your finger. Dig around the plant. Okay, make sure that your soil is moist. Okay, I watered this plant 2 hours ago. So you want to make sure that the soil is moist to avoid root borne. Remember, this is inorganic fertilizer. Okay, so once you dig around the plant, then you just apply a little bit. Okay, just a little bit around it, like so. Nothing too much, just a little bit around the plant. Not more than 1 tablespoon, okay? All right. Once you're done, you want to walk it around the whole plant. All right, then you put back the soil and cover it up. All right, cover it up. So I'm going to do the same for all 4 plants. I'll be back. All right, I'm done fertilizing each potato. Now I'm going to add my potting mix, okay, to the base of each plant. These are indeterminate potatoes. These are russet, so you need to heal them up. Okay, so I'm going to do some healing here, put in more soil around each plant, like so. This will help in mulching, okay, to prevent the plant from the heat. Remember, we're planting this. This is an experiment. We're growing these potatoes in extreme temperature. So once you're done adding soil to the plant, the next thing you do is what? To water it down. Okay. So when you're watering your potatoes, make sure you aim at the base of the potato like this. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Then we're going to apply our mulch. To prevent the water from evaporating and to keep the soil moist. Okay, there you have it. Thanks for watching.